We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good morning, friends. Myself, Rinkal Patel from Vidyadeep Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are discussing engineering, graphics, and design subject, in which we have to study about the scale chapter. That which type of problem is asked in GQ examination. That we have to understand by example. Okay. So starting with the first basic part, that what is the scale. Okay. Okay, so first part, scales. Dimensions of the large object must be reduced to accommodate on standard size drawing sheet. This reduction creates a scale of that reduction ratio, which is generally a fraction. Such a scale is called a reducing scale, and that ratio is called as a representative factor. That representative factor is taking an important role while drawing a scale problem. Similarly, in case of tiny object, dimension must be increased for above purpose. Hence, this scale is called as a enlarging scale. Here, the ratio called as a representative factor is more than the unity. Always the value of representative factor is more than the unity. So these are the basic formula. So use the following formula for calculating in this topic. Means you have to use this formula for calculating representative scale. While drawing the scale problem, the two thing is very important. That is the representative factor, and second part is your length of the scale. So that two part is most important. So how to calculate representative factor? So these are the equation or formula by which we are you have to calculate the representative factor. So first one is dimension of the drawing to the dimension of object. By this formula, you have to calculate representative factor. Another formula, length of the drawing divided by actual length. Another, area of the drawing, under root of area of drawing to the actual area. And last one is square root under root of volume as per drawing divided by actual volume. And last one, second one is the length of the scale. By using length of the scale, you have to draw a drawing. So length of scale is calculated by RF, means representative factor, into the maximum length to be measured. By this equation, you have to calculate length of the scale. One more thing, for the full size of the scale, RF is taken as 1 or 1 gem 1. Means drawing and object are of the same size. 1 gem 1 means drawing and object are of the same size. Other RF are described as means के 1 gem 1 के और कौन सा ले सकते हो. The other RF are described as 1 gem 10, 1 gem 100, 1 gem 1000, etc. Okay. So next part, be friendly with the student, means some basic information that you have to understand. That is, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometers, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameters, 1 decameters is equal to 10 meters, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now, starting with the types of scale, there are the basic 5 types of scale. First one is plane scale. Plane scale is used for dimensioning up to the single decimal. Second one is your diagonal scale. Diagonal scale is used for dimension up to the 2 decimals. Third one is your vernier scale. Vernier scale is used for dimension up to 2 decimals. Comparative scales. Comparative scale is used for comparing two different units. For comparing two different units, comparative scale is used. And last one is scale of chord. That is for measuring and constructing angle. This scale is used. So first of all, we have to start it with the plane scale. Okay, so we have to start it with problem. Plane scale. Plane scale, this type of scale represent two unit or a unit and its subdivision. Okay, plane scale represent the two units or a unit and its subdivision. So problem number 1, draw a scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter to read decimeter to measure maximum distance of 6 meter, maximum distance of 6 meter, and so on. It means you have to show that this dimension on scale, so on a distance of 4 meter and 6 meter. So first of all, we have to calculate RF and length of scale. While drawing the any scale problem, we have to first find out RF and length of scale. So first of all, calculation of RF. RF means dimension of drawing divided by dimension of object. So you have to given both the dimension, but one dimension is centimeter and one dimension is meter. So you have to convert the same dimension. You convert सेंटीमीटर को आप मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो या मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट सकते हो. तो उसके हिसाब से आरएफ का वैल्यू मुझे मिलेगा 1 जेम 1000 और लेंथ ऑफ स्केल का मेरा इक्वेशन है आरएफ इंटू मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस. आरएफ मेरा है 1/100 इंटू मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस दिया है 6 डेसीमीटर, 6 मीटर मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस. तो उसको हम सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 600 सेंटीमीटर होगा. तो मेरा लेंथ ऑफ स्केल मिलेगा 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ लेंथ ऑफ स्केल मेरे को मिल गया, उसके हिसाब से मैं लाइन बनाऊंगा. सो ड्रॉ वन लाइन of 6 centimeter long and divide it into the 6 equal parts. So here you have to see one line that divided into the 6 equal number of parts and giving the number. Okay, after that subdivide the first part which will represent the second unit. First part which will represent second unit or the fraction of the first unit. Means left side पे मेरा जो scale होगा उसको again we have to divide it into that scale into 10 equal parts. So you have to see here that this part is 0 to 10 is again divided into the 10 equal parts. After that, taking a height of scale 5 to 10 mm for getting a look of scale. Okay, after constructing the scale, mention its RF and name of scale as shown. Okay, तो ये मेरा जो 0 1 2 3 4 5 है that will indicate meters, or here we have to divide 10 equal parts. 0 to 10 we have to again divide into 10 equal parts, so that will indicate my decimeter, and RF is equal to 1/100. Okay, now we have to show different distance on this plane scale. So first of all, we have to 4 मीटर एंड 6 डेसीमीटर. तो ये मेरा जो 0 1 2 3 4 5 है वो मेरा मीटर्स में दिखाया है, that will indicate meters. So one line from 4 meter. Okay, ये आपको दिखाने का है 4 meter and 6 decimeter on this plane scale. So first of all, draw one line from 4 meter and another line from 6 decimeter. 6 decimeter means 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. ये मेरा 10 equal parts किया है, that will indicate your decimeters. So this one is 4 meter and this one is 6 decimeter. So distance between this is 4 meter and 6 decimeter. Okay, so by this way we have to draw a problem with plane scale. Okay, we have to draw another problem so you can easily understand. So next problem is, in a map a 36-kilometer distance is shown by a line 45 centimeter long. Calculate the RF and construct a plane scale. Read kilometer, hectometer for maximum 12 kilometer and show a distance 8.3 kilometer on it. Again we have to calculate RF and length of the scale. Now you easily know that how to calculate RF and length of the scale. So RF is equal to 1 by 80,000 and length of scale is equal to RF into maximum distance. Maximum distance आपको दिया है for maximum 12 kilometer. So RF into maximum distance. So you are getting 15 centimeter. So first of all you have to draw one line which length is 15 centimeter. Okay, so draw the line of 50 meter and divide into 12 equal parts. Why we have to divide into 12 equal parts? Because maximum distance diya hai for 12 equal parts, 12 kilometers. So we have to divide into 12 equal parts. Again from the previous problem, 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 divided into equal parts. Again left side 0 to 10. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 equal parts. Okay, after that taking a height of 5 to 10 mm for getting a loop of scale, means this distance you have to taking 5 meter or either 10 5 mm or either 10 mm for getting a loop of scale. Now you have to draw a distance 8.3 kilometer 8 shown. And okay, so right side part here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, that will indicate your kilometer distance. And here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10, that will indicate your 8.3, that will indicate your hectometer distance. Now you have to draw 8.3 kilometer. So here 8 kilometer. Okay, so one line from 8 kilometer. Then you have to draw 3 kilometer from here. So 0 1 2 3. So distance between 3 and 8 is known as your 8.3 kilometer. You can show here. Okay, 3 kilometer and 8 kilometer and 3 hectometer. 8.38. So ये तुम्हारा 8 kilometer. This part is your 8 kilometer, and 0 1 2 3 indicate your 3 hectometer. So by this way you have to draw a plane scale and show the dimension on that plane scale. Now we have to study another scale, that is diagonal scale. So how to draw a diagonal scale? Diagonal scale is different than the plane scale. So we have seen that plane scale give only two dimensions, such as unit and its subunit or its fraction. But the diagonal scale give us three successive dimensions, that is unit, subunit and subdivision of a subunit. Be careful. Plane scale give us unit and its subunit or its fraction, while diagonal scale give us a three successive dimension, that is unit, subunit and subdivision of a subunit. So we have to start it with one problem. Okay, the distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 kilometer. In a railway map it is represented by a line 5 centimeter long. Find its RF, means representative factor, Draw a diagonal scale to show single kilometer and maximum 600 kilometer. Maximum 600 kilometer. Indicate on it following distance, means you have to indicate following distance on your diagonal scale. Okay, so first of all, again we have to find RF. Okay, 5 centimeter divided by 200 kilometer. So again now you easily find out RF. Okay, RF, उसके बाद you have to find out length of scale. Length of scale means RF into maximum distance. So RF into maximum distance 600 kilometer, that is given to you, have to convert it into centimeter. So length of scale is equal to 15 centimeter. So you have to draw one line from 15 centimeter. Okay. After drawing the 15 centimeter line, after drawing the 50 centimeter line, you have to divide that line into the 6 equal parts. Okay, so here you can easily see that 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and left part is your, again left part is again divided into 10 equal parts, same as your plane scale. After that, you have to draw a horizontal and vertical line. So first of all, draw a vertical line from each part, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. After that, you have to draw 10 equal parts of this line, means you have to draw 5 to 10 centimeter vertical division and again draw a horizontal line. Okay, and here you have to divide this line into the 10 equal parts. Okay, so now be careful. You have to draw a line upward from the left hand and mark 10 equal parts. Left hand line divided into 10 equal parts. Name those parts as 0 to 10. Now join 9th subdivision of the horizontal scale. 9 subdivision on the horizontal scale with a 10 division on the vertical division. Same way like 9th division on the horizontal scale with 10 division on vertical scale, that you have to show. Here is your 9th division on horizontal scale and 10th division on the vertical scale. So you have to join that two part. Same way join all the lines. Okay, now you have to draw different kilometer on this scale. So first of all, 569 kilometer. So one line from 500 kilometer and another lines from 69, means 50, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 एंड 9, मीन्स ये 60 की लाइन है और 9 की लाइन इधर है, तो जो इंटरसेक्ट करेगा वो तुम्हारा 69 रहेगा. तो by this way you have to show 569 kilometer. See here, one line from 500 kilometer and here you have to show one point, that is 6 point and 9 point intersect at this point. So it will show your 69. So 569 kilometer you have to show here. Okay, same way 459. So you have to show 400 point here and 50 into 9. So second point is your 59 is here. So you have to show 59, 459 kilometer. Same way third point 336. So here is your 300, again 0, 1, 2, 3, 30 into 6. So point is here. So it will show you your 336. Same way, next point is your 222 kilometers. Okay, so you can easily say that, sir, here is your 200 point. You can see easily. And again 22 means 0, 10, 20. So here is your 20, 21 and 22. So point is here is your 22 point. So you can easily draw and show your 222 kilometer. Okay, so here is your diagonal scale problem is completed. So by this way you have to complete or you have to draw your plane scale and diagonal scale problem. Okay, thanks for the watching this video.